Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to potentially access Claude AI Pro for free using a limited promotional code system. These codes are limited in quantity, and as of right now, they are still available. I've already managed to redeem one myself, so I wanted to share the process with you while it's still active. Before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to support the channel. I put a lot of effort into finding and testing these methods. Now, let's jump into it. First, open your web browser. After spending quite some time searching, I finally came across a working source. You need to visit the website, coupongurus.org. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Claude. This will show you a list of available promotional offers related to Claude AI. At the time of checking, there were still hundreds of coupons available. One of them is a Claude AI Pro 1-month promotion code. To proceed, select the coupon and click on Show Coupon. You'll notice that part of the code is hidden. To reveal it, you'll need to click Unlock Code. This will redirect you to a verification page. The process may include completing simple tasks or app installations as part of a human verification step. After completing the required steps, your promotional code should be unlocked and displayed on the site. Once you receive the code, you can redeem it directly on Claude's platform to activate the Pro access. You can then remove any apps you installed during the process, if you no longer need them. Keep in mind that availability is limited, and codes may run out quickly. So if you're interested, it's better to act sooner rather than later. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.